Assalamu alaikum. This is Arshima Latif Sheikh, student of final year, Faculty of Pharmacy, Hamdard University. As you can see on the screen, this video is about a GS1 data matrix of a 2D barcode type. I will be discussing that how it could be beneficial in curbing the spread of spurious and counterfeit drugs. So let's begin the discussion. Before going to the main topic, I would like to describe briefly the terms spurious and counterfeit drugs for your better understanding. Referring to the Drugs Act 1976, Section 3, you can already see the written text and the references on the screen. In simplest way, a counterfeit drug can be defined as a product that is produced and sold with the intention to deceive the consumer about the origin. And on the other hand is a spurious drug, which is the product claims to be a drug but actually it lacks the active ingredient in it, or which claims to be the product of a manufacturer, place, country to which it is not truly a product, although concealing its true identity. I hope now you have better understand the terms counterfeit and spurious drugs. So moving towards our next heading, which is GS1 data matrix 2D barcodes. GS1 data matrix is a matrix 2D or two-dimensional barcode, which may be printed as a square or rectangular symbol made up of individual dots or squares. This representation is an ordered grid of dark and light dots bordered by a finder pattern. The finder pattern is partly used to specify the orientation and structure of the symbol. The data is encoded using a series of dark or light dots based upon a predetermined size, as shown in the picture. From the next slides, I will focus on that how these 2D barcodes control the spread of counterfeit and spurious drugs. So let's begin. Now referring to the 2017 amendments in the Drugs Labeling and Packaging Rules 1986. These were the draft amendments and these rules were changed by federal government proposed by concerned ministers. The concerned minister of this rule amendment was the Ministry of National Health Services Regulation and Coordination. Please see Clause B of this amendment rule, which states that after Rule 3 in the Labeling and Packaging Rules, a new rule shall be inserted, and this new rule is 3A, Application of Barcode Label Requirements for Product Track and Trace System. The sub-rule 1 states that a machine-readable barcode as per the GS1 general specification shall be printed on the label of all drugs manufactured for domestic market or export or imported at different packaging levels. What is meant by GS1? GS1 means an international organization dedicated to design and implementation of global standards and solutions, and it is represented in Pakistan by GS1 Pakistan. To see the definition, please refer to the clause K. These barcode facilitates identification, tracking and tracing of the products. Before further proceeding, let's briefly discuss the terms tracking and tracing. Tracking simply tells that where the object is now, it locates the current position of an object, whereas the tracing determines the past locations in your supply chain. And further continuing the sub-rule 1 of Rule 3A. According to clause A and B of sub-rule 1, the primary and secondary packaging of the products shall contain a GS1 data matrix of a 2D barcode type. We have already discussed that what is GS1 and what is 2D barcode type. And the tertiary packaging shall contain GS1 data matrix of 1D type according to clause C. As I have discussed the terms tracking, tracing, 2D data matrix, now I can conclude this video. For complete track and trace of each product and shipment, the serial number, which is a unique identification number, shall also be captured into the GS1 data matrix on all types of packaging, primary, secondary or tertiary. This is written under sub-rule 6 of Rule 3A. In this way, I can say that the data matrix of 2D barcode type could be beneficial and can help the manufacturers to restrain the spurious and counterfeit drugs by tracking and tracing their products. The objective of Rule 3A is to discourage and to catch the counterfeit and spurious drugs.